Street. I'm about to do a property tour. So Tennessee is right up there, and essentially you have a little convenience store there. So Tennessee being one of the more busier streets here at Vallejo. This is Marin. This is the neighborhood here, and essentially this is the property. So this is our driveway here, and our little picket fence. And we have our garage. I like the nice big window there. And then here we have our walkway. Here we have the view from the porch. We have this door right here. That's our front yard. And we're gonna go inside right now, but then this right here is the side of the house as well. So this is 1523 Marin here in Vallejo. Built in 1930, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So we're standing in the living room area here, front room, and really nice big window here so you can see the neighborhood itself. And then that is our entryway there. Actually, correction, not 1930, but 1936 is the year built. So this is our dining area. So here we are in the kitchen. Little island there. Dining room area. This was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, so this is one of the bedrooms here. Here we have our hallway. We have a closet, which is another good size closet. And then here we have our bathroom. And this is our other bedroom here. So again, this is a 2-bedroom with 2 bathrooms. We haven't seen the second bathroom yet. But this is the bedroom nearest the entry. That door would take us into that entry. And down here is going to be kind of like a basement, closet area. Closet, basement, garage. But this is actually kind of cool. So we actually have like another room down here. And then this would be kind of like the garage or basement. Garage would be over here. So here's the garage area. And that was the room we were just looking at. So you got enough space for a car. But this is actually kind of sweet because you have like all this additional space down here in the basement. And this is the backyard area here. So it's actually a nice little setup. Got a nice little area here to hang out. Nice little deck. You can actually chit chat with your neighbors here. But this is the space that you have down here. It's actually not bad.